Okay, here we are looking at all the parts that are going into my swapping out my B5 S4 quote-unquote stage 3, which is from AWE Tuning. It's not about stages, that's just an easy way to sell it. And the sad part about it is I took it in to get painted because some kid hit me, and they created a boost leak that I couldn't find. So to replace or to find the boost leak and take up some of the rust and stuff on the subframe that I have to take care of, I pulled out the engine and the subframe all in one. You can see some of that rust right here. You could also see it back here, which I've already started cleaning up. And all that is sitting right there. So the valve covers I've already taken off to clean them up and paint them and blah blah blah. Transmission is still quasi on, intercoolers are off, exhaust manifolds and turbos are off. Those can be found right there, and exhaust manifolds are right there. Those are not factory, or those are not stock, I should say. I also had to replace the StopTech 355 rotors because they're just too worn down at this point. So the goal here is to get all this swapped on the engine that I can. We also have the carbon fiber Y pipe from 34 Motorsports. We have seal caps to prevent leaking, cam caps, whatever you want to call them, valve cover gaskets, some other gaskets up here, exhaust manifold gaskets, snub mount, new flange kit for the turbos, the rings for the cams, the seals, cam seals. I'm going to switch the piping over to, I forgot the name of these things all of a sudden, but whatever, it's a band clamp, I think. It's not a band clamp. I can't remember, I'm sick, so bear with me. There's the replacement rotors. Here's the tie rods because it's a P5S4. Here's the exhaust manifold gaskets. Here's just new hardware because it was wearing out. Here's obviously sealant. And these are motor mounts for the ones that I haven't done yet, which you can probably see right here. So I think those replace these. And then we have a new radiator and a new evaporator, I think that is. So all that will be going in. And the goal is to have the car up and running as short as possible, and this is my motivation. Thanks.